In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and delete your YouTube account. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go over to YouTube itself, and then once you're on YouTube's main page, go ahead and go over to your profile picture in the top right corner and select that. And then once you've selected that, go ahead and go down to settings. And then once you've selected settings, you will see under here where it says edit on Google+, go down to view advanced settings. And then once you've clicked on that, go ahead and scroll down a little bit. And then once you scroll down a little bit, you're going to go ahead and look at the bottom there. It says delete channel. So go ahead and select on delete channel. And then once you've selected delete channel, you're going to go ahead and put in your password. So go ahead and enter that. And then once you've entered your password and you've got through, it will come to this page where you can go ahead and you can hide your content if you want to do that, which will just literally disable your account for a little while, and it will hide your content and you will still have full use of your YouTube channel. And the second option there is to permanently delete my account. So what this will do is it will delete everything. It will delete all your videos, your subscriptions, and it will delete your comments, replies, your messages, and your search and watch history. So literally it will delete everything, including your account, and you will never be able to get it back. So I urge you to really think about this. If you really want to delete your channel, if you've got a couple of videos on it and you've been trying to do YouTube or whatever, make sure you're 100% certain that you want to go ahead and delete it, because once you've deleted it, you will not be able to recover this account at all, whatever you do. So once you're sure that you want to delete that account, you can go ahead and click delete my account, and then it will wipe this account from the database and you will not be able to get it back. So it's just as simple as that, guys. So if this video did help you guys, please leave a like. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.